just a quick video here. This on an M series unit, just explaining how the user interface works and how you would use it. So here you've got the Google Maps widget we just have in here. In the future we'll probably change it so you can do different things in here. You have to have the internet working for this to work. So you could have the SIM card in the unit, or you could be hotspotting to it. Now majority of people are going to have, cool, here's my home page. You've got your radio, just like your normal radio, that's fine. If you want to put in USB music or an external hard drive, that's fine. You can play it from there, or you can drag and store stuff on here locally. And then you have your apps down here, which can actually be changed. So if you click and hold on here, you can add or remove apps to here. So this is a quick way to get to the apps. So auto link is our CarPlay or Android Auto app. That's pretty easy. Car scanner is like an OBD2 app, so we'll bring data from your engine ECU. So there's like a Bluetooth module included in the kit. It looks like Spotify, like Messenger. F-cam just shows your reverse camera or the front camera, or if you want to have a rear view camera going on. Those are just a quick access way to get there. Obviously that's pretty straightforward, time and date. Then down here you've got your quick access to your navigation app. So you can choose which one you want to run on here. So the unit has its own GPS, so you can have some offline maps used, or different ones. There's a couple pre-installed on the unit, or you can download any one you choose. But Bluetooth obviously brings you into your Bluetooth screen, so you have to hook things to Bluetooth to get CarPlay or Android Auto to work, or if you just want to use direct Bluetooth, you can do that as well. Settings here takes you into your settings. That again is your CarPlay Android Auto one. Now if we click down here, we're going to bring up all our apps. So this here is where it sort of becomes like a tablet on your dash, because you can run with a Play Store in here, so you can actually download any sort of apps you choose. So that's where it's pretty neat, and it comes into its own. So that's basically a quick rundown of the user interface. And then again, if you scroll down from the top here, you got a couple things in here. So also Wi-Fi, that's quite straightforward. And then if you need to reboot things, you can push the reboot button here. So that is a quick rundown on this here.